welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make two of my favorite mug cake recipes. I'm going to show you a chocolate mug cake recipe and a vanilla mug cake recipe. They're so good, you guys, and you don't have to do very much. You pop them in the microwave and they're ready in literally 1 minute. And the microwave I'm using for the mug cake recipes was sent to me by Toshiba. I'm going to leave a link in the description box if anyone is interested, and please ignore what you see on the microwave. That is so embarrassing. Let's get started, guys. Alright guys, to make the chocolate mug cake, you'll need 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour inside of a mug. Into that, add a tablespoon of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of Nutella. You can use your favorite chocolate spread. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a little bit of salt. And 5 tablespoons of milk. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last, you're going to add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix everything together. Try not to remix, otherwise you'll end up with a very tough cake. And you can taste this and add more sugar if you want. Go ahead and put it in the microwave. Then you're going to microwave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take your cake out and feel the top. Make sure it's not wet to touch. If it's wet, put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds or so, or until the top is dry to touch. I like to serve this with some extra Nutella. Look at that, you guys. It is so good. It is so fudgy and gooey. All you chocolate lovers out there, you're going to love this one. Alright, moving on from all that chocolatey goodness, I'm going to show you how I made this vanilla mug cake. In my mug, I have 5 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Into that, I am adding a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. A little bit of salt. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix everything together. Make sure you don't overmix. Then you're going to microwave this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, check. If it's too wet, microwave it for 30 more seconds. I like to serve this with some whipped cream. You can do ice cream if you want. I also add sprinkles to make it look pretty. Then it's time to dig in. Look at that. It is so good. The vanilla mug cake is actually my favorite because I like vanilla cake. You guys will love these. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.